Hello everyone, today we will be discussing the select keyword in SQL. The select statement is a fundamental part of SQL. It is the starting point for most SQL queries and you will be using it in every data retrieval operation. Simply, select allows us to specify exactly what we want to include from our database in our result set. Let's demonstrate this in a few examples. In this tutorial, I will be using the cinema database containing two tables, films and reviews. Let's start by selecting the title column from my films table. During this tutorial, we will show the results of each query following the order of execution in SQL, which can help us visualize and understand the process more. The query will start executing the from statement, specifying the table from which we want to extract data. Then execute the select statement, specifying the columns containing the data we want to see in our result set. And finally, the limit statement, specifying the number of rows we want to see in our result set. I could expand my query a little further to include the title and the release year of each movie. As you can see, I can simply do this by separating the names of the columns I want in my result set by a comma. But what if I want to select every column in my table? This can simply be done by using the asterisk wildcard right after the select keyword. Now, let's say that I want to check the IMDb score for each movie. The select keyword allows me to retrieve data from columns in different tables in my database. Notice that the reviews table in my database has an IMDb score column, which I can access by including the column's name in my select statement and the table's name in my from statement. Notice how the title column shows one title for every IMDb score. Now that can't be right. This happens because the from statement will pair every row from films table to every row of the reviews table. If I remove the limit statement, the result set will have 24 million rows, compared to about 4,000 in the films table. While this is not a video about condition statements in SQL, to prevent this from happening, we will have to add a where statement to our query. Notice how the reviews table has a film ID column, which contains the film ID number of the film associated with the review data in the corresponding row. This can be used with the ID column in the films table, containing the ID number for each film in the films table, to specify the condition of our where statement, and result in one row from the films table being paired with one row from the reviews table. And with that, we finish this tutorial. I hope this was helpful for you. Any feedback is welcome in the comment. Like the video if you wish, and subscribe if you want to see similar content. I'll see you in the next video.